5 of the most beat down stocks that I'm buying. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be discussing 5 of the most beat down stocks that we're currently buying at the moment. Not too long ago, we were talking about these same 5 stocks at a lot higher prices. So I feel like you're getting a great opportunity to pick up very good companies at a very discounted price. We're gonna get started. We're not gonna make this video too long. If you do want to get more information on each of these companies, there is going to be descriptions below on each company, videos that we did before explaining what each company does. Okay, first company on the list is Bngo, Bngo, Bio Nano Genomics. A few weeks ago, it was trading at about $12 to $14. I want to say like a month ago, it was trading anywhere from $12 to $14. Since then, we've had a downturn in the market. It's kept going down. They recently reported earnings. Their earnings came out great. I feel like you're getting a great opportunity to get this company right now. Currently trading at $7.78. I mean, you can't beat that deal. Remember, prices can always go lower, but this is just, you know, we're comparing prices and stuff of where it was at to where it is now. Okay, Bngo would be the first company that we're buying. Second one that I'm completely amazed it's at this price. Okay, I think you're on this second one, I think you're getting an awesome opportunity to buy a really good company that's going to be around, and their focus is on security for the future of companies. Okay, so they do data and analytics and stuff like that, but currently this company PLTR, Palantir, is currently trading at about $22.50 to $23. So at this price, about a month ago, it was at over like $30 something. What's caught my attention with this company is that in the dark pool, I've seen massive orders, just, you know, huge firms buying this company up at these prices. So that's a very good indication that this company, Palantir, is going to continue to move upwards, and you have a great opportunity right now to get it at this price. Okay, third company, I laugh at the price that this company is at right now, is Skillz, SKLZ, Skillz. This company was recently trading anywhere from $30 to $40. They got hit with a short report, and then the market fell, so it was a double whammy. Okay, this company right here, I see an awesome future. It's one of our main sectors. It's the gaming industry, e-gaming. You're getting a steal, an absolute steal at these current prices of $18.75. I mean, that's a super steal. Okay, those are the prices that it was trading at like back in January or December. Not even, I think it was even before then, like November, December. I mean, right now it's gone all the way up to $40 something, 46 I think it was a high, and it came all the way down, crashing back down to 18 something. So at this price, I think you're getting a hell of a deal on Skillz. Next company, we're all familiar with this company that we've been buying during this dip, is CCIV, Lucid Motors. Remember this company? Not too long ago, it was trading at about $60. Man, has it dropped since then. We've had a downturn in the market. Not only that, right after it merged, it took a dip, and since then it's just been on a steady decline downwards. Currently trading around $22. I mean, at this price, you're getting a hell of a steal. A lot of people are comparing this company to Tesla in the future. So if you could want to compare prices, I mean, Tesla stock is trading roughly around $600, $650. This stock is trading around $21, $22. SPACs have taken a hit. There's just been bad press on SPACs. There is a lot of SPACs, guys, but you as an investor have to determine which companies are these SPACs, you know, merging with. If they're merging with good companies, I would say Lucid is one of them. I would say BFT is another one. There's a couple of good companies out there that have merged and that are very good companies. I'll give you a perfect example. DraftKings was a SPAC at one point, and that's done absolutely well since it merged. So Not all SPACs are bad, guys, but there is a lot of trash out there. Just make sure you pick the correct ones that fit your likings, that you think are good companies, and that you're willing to hold for the long term, guys. Don't listen to all this blah 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 going on with the SPACs. It's only giving you an opportunity to buy good companies, okay? And last but not least that I want to mention that we've been buying during this dip, and we will continue to buy, is Fubotv, ticker symbol FUBO. This company, as you will have seen, has gone from $45 all the way down to current price, trading price is roughly around 25, 26. So you're getting an awesome discount, guys. Now remember, Fubotv is backed by the likes of Disney, the likes of Goldman Sachs. Very, very big companies, guys. These companies, all 5 companies that I've mentioned, are going to do really well in the future. This is just an opportunity to buy these stocks at very discounted prices, and it's an opportunity for you guys to take advantage of these prices. Because I'm telling you one thing, guys, a couple months down the road from now, we're going to look back, we're going to see these prices, and we're going to think to ourselves and say, wow, we should have, or I should have bought more. Okay, I don't want you guys to be thinking that. I want you guys to take full advantage right now that you're getting presented with this gift. I consider it a gift, guys. It's a gift. So take advantage, and then from there you decide which company you want to get into. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion, what we've been doing with this dip. Okay, with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Remember, if you haven't been following us, please follow us on Twitter at InvestingOG, and if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you get these videos every time we put one out there. Okay, with that, guys, I'll see you on the next one.